Hi everyone, welcome you all to my new video for assignment 1. I'm Sudeep and my MIT ID is MIT170999. In this video, I will show you how to download and install BEEF tool, or simply we can call BEEF tool, on VirtualBox. And I will demonstrate what kind of threats can be mitigated using this tool, and also I will explain how this tool can be used to monitor the security threats, and at last I will summarize what kind of knowledge I have gained in doing this video, so stay tuned. Now I'm installing BEEF tool in Kali Linux. For that I'm going to terminal window, and here I'm typing some commands. apt get update, enter. And again I'm cloning the BEEF tool from GitHub website. So for that I'm typing the command git clone https github.com/beef project/beef, enter. And it's cloning the BEEF tool and it's downloading the BEEF tool from github.com. Again I'm typing the command apt install beef -xsh, and it will install the BEEF in Linux. Now BEEF has been installed in my Linux. Now to open it I'm typing beef -xss. It will open the BEEF tool. It is asking for the password, so I'm typing the password. Now it is going to open the BEEF tool, and this is the BEEF authentication window. So here I just need to type my username as BEEF and my password I recently created in a terminal window. After entering it, it will direct us to the BEEF authentication window. Now I'm going to demonstrate how hackers can actually steal our information that we type in our browser. So for that I'm hooking up my own browser, and I'm stealing my own password that I type in different website using BEEF tool. So I'm going in the demo page here. After clicking in the demo page, the BEEF tool will hack my own browser and it will show up here. Now I'm clicking in the hooked browser, my own browser, and I'm going to command option, and I'm going to social engineering option, scrolling it down, and here we can see the Google phishing option. So I'm clicking in the Google phishing option, and after that click on execute, and it will execute my browser. To steal my own password, I'm going to the Google Mail, and I'll type some testing username and password. For example, hacker as a username, in HSCKED hacked as a password, and I'll click on sign in. Now I'm going back to BEEF control panel again. Here you can see the BEEF command one option appear here, so just click on there and it will show my user ID and password here. So it is showing data result, username hacker, and password hacked. In this way hacker can steal our password and username using BEEF tool. As I have mentioned already, hackers keep on looking for the vulnerability of the browser, and once they find the weakness, they hack the browser and steal precious information from the browser. But at the same time, all the hackers don't have bad intentions. And there are some hacker called white hacker who actually don't hack the system, but they keep on looking for the vulnerability of system, and once they find the system, they report the vulnerability to respective company or person, so the respective person or company can take some action on those weakness to recover it, so which will decrease the chance of attack from other dangerous hacker. This is how this tool can be used to mitigate the possible threats. BIF tool can also be used in security threat management. For example, some big organization can hire some employees specifically for testing the weakness of the system using BIF tool. Doing so will dramatically reduce the chance of getting attacked from harmful attackers. So summarizing my finding, I have gained a lot while doing this video, as I have learned some basic hacking skill using BIF tool. Also, doing this video has made me more cautious about using internet browsers, as I came to know what kind of methods hackers use to steal information from browser. To conclude, BIF tool has both good and bad sides. And the good side is person and organization can use this tool to manage the security threats and mitigate the potential attacks. At the same time, bad point is attackers can use the same tool to steal the precious information from others.